Hello friends. Now again I am here with more example of um, trinomial factorization. So let's start our example. Our first example is x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is trinomial function because there is 3 terms. Now our first step, we have to find two numbers whose addition or subtraction should be minus 4 and multiplication should be 4. So we can say minus 2 and minus 2. Addition of minus 2 and minus 2 is minus 4 and multiplication is 4. So our two numbers is minus 2 and minus 2. So we can write minus 4 as a minus 2x minus 2x is equal to minus 4x. So now we will write here x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now make pairs of 2 and start finding the common factors. So here you can see x is common. So we will write x and inside the bracket x from here minus 2 from this. And we can see minus 2 is common. Minus 2 here and in this also there is minus 2. So we can write minus 2. Now remaining is x and minus 2 because minus 2 is 4. So here minus x minus 2 is common. We can write x minus 2 is equal to x minus 2 into x from here and minus 2 this is equal to 0. Now if we can see this is x minus 2 and this is x minus 2. So we can write this x minus 2 whole square. Exponent is 1 and exponent is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to 0. So this is our factorization. If you want to, if you will break this, then you will get this side. So next example is, my next example is 4x square plus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0. I will not explain you each and every step in this example. I am completely solving this step by step. Now you tell me that I have solved correctly or not in the comment box. 4x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. 2x plus 2x plus 3 plus 3 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3 whole square is equal to 0. Is this solution is correct or not? And did you understand the process? Please tell me in comment box. Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell for latest update.
Thank you. Have a nice day.